Alright, I just wanted to show you guys a few things that I'm working on right now. We have the Red Hood helmet, Red Ronin. We do have the Scorpion helmet, almost done. Just a little bit more smoothing on the teeth and everything, plus a little smoothing on the mouthpiece. That's going to be magnets on the open and close it. Also, we got the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Yellow Ranger Omega version of this helmet. This is actually going for Karen. Also down here we have a few helmets being printed right now in the print room, where one of my creatives is working on the Pink Ranger from Mighty Morphin. They got the front and the back is already completely done. As well, we have the yellow Mighty Morphin Power Ranger, the front and the back piece over here. If you guys can take a look right here, I did a little bit of a pinhole right here in this key because I'm going to do an inner latches with that one. So yeah, we're going to be working with these pieces right here. So hopefully that'll work. It's a bit of an experiment right now. And we do have a few of the Bat and the Sons. We have a Legend of the White Dragon face mask right here that I'm working on. Especially a blue Savage Ranger. We got the 01 helmets. We have a Time Force helmet. We have King Tyranno right here. And we have some pink Mighty Morphin with a stun visor. We have the Lord Draken. We have Reptile Ranger for our Mighty Morphin Power Ranger Mortal Kombat series is going on. You know, Ninja, another Yellow Ranger, and we have the Psycho Zeo Gold Ranger, which I already dyed the visor for that one, so that'll be coming out soon for you guys to check out.